let's create a class, name it universe. Within here, we're going to create a main method and explain all the pieces of code within this class. So we have the first public here. This just means anyone can run this program. Class is a reserved word because all Java programs must belong to a class. Universe, this is just simply the name of the class. This curly brace is used for the opening of the class body. This public, again, means anybody can run this method. Static means this method belongs to the class, not an object. So for instance, we can say universe.main instead of creating a universe object first and then calling the main method. Void means the method doesn't return anything. Main is the name of this method, which is also a special method in Java. Within the left and right parentheses are the parameters passed to this method. In this case, we have a type of string array and assigning the name to it args. Here's the curly brace for the opening of the method body. System.out.println is the name of the method we want to call. In this case, this is the method for printing strings on to the screen. Within the left and right parentheses, we have the parameter being passed to the method. In this case, hello world is the string we want to print. The semicolon indicates the end of this statement. This curly brace is used for closing the method body, and then this curly brace is used for closing the class.